The EVAP Purge valve is a critical component in modern vehicles that prevents fuel vapor emissions from escaping into the atmosphere. Understanding how it works and how to test it without tools can save you time and money. The purge valve controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine intake manifold. When the engine is running, it opens and closes to allow these vapors to be burned rather than released into the air. As of 2025, EVAP systems have become increasingly sophisticated with enhanced diagnostic capabilities. Stronger EPA regulations have made proper EVAP function more critical than ever, making DIY diagnostic methods valuable for vehicle owners. The first no-tool testing method is auditory testing. With the engine running at idle, listen near the purge valve. A healthy valve should produce a subtle, rhythmic clicking sound every 30 to 60 seconds as it opens and closes. The second method is visual inspection. Check for cracked or damaged vacuum lines, look for fuel stains around valve connections, inspect the electrical connector for corrosion, and examine the valve body for physical damage. These no-tool testing methods are highly effective when used together. Auditory testing alone has about 78% accuracy, while visual inspection provides 65% accuracy. Combined, these methods can achieve up to 87% diagnostic accuracy. The idle quality test is your first diagnostic tool. Start your engine and let it reach normal operating temperature, then observe how smoothly it runs at idle. A healthy engine should idle smoothly and consistently. If you notice rough idling, RPM fluctuations, or engine shaking, this often indicates the purge valve is stuck open, allowing too much fuel vapor into the engine. Fuel economy monitoring provides valuable long-term diagnostic data. Track your miles per gallon over several fill-ups to establish a baseline, then watch for sudden changes. A sudden decrease in fuel economy, typically 10 to 15% or more, can indicate purge valve problems. The valve may be stuck open, causing excessive fuel vapor to enter the engine and reduce efficiency. Recognizing specific symptoms helps pinpoint purge valve issues. Strong fuel odors, especially during hot weather, indicate vapor leakage. Cold weather hard starting that improves after warm-up is another key sign. These symptoms occur because a faulty purge valve disrupts the normal fuel vapor management system. Hot weather increases vapor pressure, making leaks more noticeable, while cold weather affects valve operation. Combining visual, auditory, and performance testing methods significantly increases diagnostic accuracy. Using multiple tests together gives you confidence in your diagnosis. If multiple tests indicate purge valve problems, replacement is recommended. A faulty purge valve can cause emissions issues, reduce fuel economy, and potentially damage other engine components if left unrepaired.